Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and we are representing to the fullest Jamaica to Trinidad, Caribbean and the world. We don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are sent to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's sleeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the street. Eradicate poverty and crime with a cease. Somebody start rolling. Election time when you come in on the street. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired to hear the people, but we don't want no more bloodshed. No we not send dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No we not send dead. A message we are sent. We don't want no more bloodshed. No we not send dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No we not send dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight. Alright, make me start count from 1 to 10. Once upon a time when everyone a friend. Every ghetto youth and every garrison could have shot anywhere and not get no problems. Now them old time days gone again. Nowadays is gang war again.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
No, this is another murder countryman has solved. And I mean, it is plain as day. Now, the youth that name Jackson Wilton, them call him JJ. Them slap him last year and him get buried in November last year. So that's not too long ago. Now, somebody reach out to me and say, countryman, I want to know who did this because Ray. So I said to myself, I am going to dig and see what I can come up with. And the thing that I am coming up with is that JJ, he wasn't a match for the man them in that area there. I mean, in that area there you have different little factions, north of Dinnery, sorry, and you have the village. But you have certain little factions. But you have a certain person in govern that whole area there. And from doing my investigation, we can come up with a premise and a motive for what happened to the youth here. And if the police them want to solve it, I guess them figure. Now, look at that screen. Up in the Deanery North, you have a bottom feeder gangster out there, so we name Circle. I mean, you said that boy there, Notorious. If you remember, I hope they said them chop off the man head, you know. And you see them boy there in the country, they not have nothing named loyalty, they not have nothing named conscience, not mere morals. Listen, enough of the man them in a castries, you know, castries. They nah go up in that area there, go link nobody, you know. You understand? So, you know say, that Daniel, when name Circle, I want dangerous boy. So, this is my premise with this. Now, you see that youth here? You might be anything, you know. But the problem with them youth here, you see from them a do them thing, them talk too much, them start show up themselves, and let me tell you something. You have to understand how St. Lucia operate. It not operate like how some other place operate. Like for example, say New York or even Jamaica, you will have the settlement them on A road, the settlement them on B road, C, D road, and every man a do them thing, and no man now violate. A man, the man them over A road can get a bag of things and I deal with them thing. The man them over B road, them have for them own a link. The man them a C road for them thing them a do. Nobody no business with nobody. Also New York and them place are enough place there. But you see in St. Lucia, if you a do your thing on down a D road, remember the boy them up a A road, I go start pre you. And them a go step to you. And when them step to you, if you not agree with where them a deal with you know, then you're in a problem. And I feel that is what reached this young man. Them call him JJ. Cause him a also, me hear say them kill him friend, a youth named Rima, and a youth they used to go St. Martin, and also with them both. So I don't know say, if them a do them thing there, the man them like Circle and Baboon King and them kind of man there, I will start watch them. So that youth time in a North Guinea area, country, the man them savage, them not have no brain. When I say dunce, I not even fully dunce. I not even know, we can't even use a word to describe the man them over that side of town there. And I guess so that youth there. So him just fall trap to the system, and him can't deal with them man there. Him can't manage them man there. Him not have the flex to deal with them man there. You understand? And that happened to him. So what I am saying is the police them need to talk to Circle, the Dan over there so, and the little fraction them. We must send out cause enough man, he must send out to do things. You understand? And like me say, that youth here, he never adhere to feed them thing, and he might try step up and I try motivate. But my youth, you can't motivate a blood clot St. Lucia. Believe me, if you not run with certain man dog, like Tiba, or certain other big man and link certain big links, you think I will get fucked. Unless you do your thing and no man no know you do your thing and you push out your thing out of town or whatever and go do your thing and even dead, a man a go pray you. So listen, me a go wrap up that video here. But when me a tell the police, they need to talk to the Dan and the fraction and run with the Dan up in that area there. Circle. Cause my suspect is that him do it. And that my intel tell me. And the youth him just couldn't manage them dog. And that happened to him. Here my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I am out.